Hey everybody, and welcome to another Cricut craft tutorial. This is another craft for the curve video. Don't forget to check out my fellow crafty creators down in the description box below, along with the sponsors for the giveaway. And don't forget to hashtag your crafts, craft for the curve. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add HTV to a can koozie. These are made out of neoprene and they are so easy to do, and it's a really quick, easy project. This is a great way to introduce yourself to doing HTV because it's so inexpensive to get these little can holders and very, very easy to press. They love to press to HTV. Let's go over to Design Space so I can show you how to load this design. First thing that we'll do is upload the image that we're going to use. So click on Upload, click Upload Image, and then Browse. I have all of my stuff pretty well organized, so I am going to go into my Cricut folder right here, and we are going to find pet-related SVGs, and then this is the Crunchy Pickle Big Cat Bundle that I got off of Design Bundles. I'm going to open the SVGs, and I am looking for the Cat Mom one, and we're going to go ahead and use this one. It's really cute and super fun. Click on Save, and then you're going to go ahead and insert your image. If you're inserting an SVG, you won't have to do any of the cleanup. It's super easy, but I will say some of them are a little bit weird when you get into your actual Design Space, and you can see mine is super PC, but we will take care of that. So I'm going to make it bigger because we have about 3.8 inches wide to work with and definitely just about as tall. So we're going to make it pretty big. And what I'm going to do is first hit Make It because I want to see what it does when I hit Make It so I can show you. Do you see how it's cutting kind of all in weird spots so it's not holding everything together the way you think that it should? There's a reason for that because when a lot of people design their bundles, they just group them instead of actually attaching them and making them all one piece when they're the same color. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and ungroup everything. I find it a little bit easier if you ungroup everything versus trying to go through and attach, and it's kind of crazy. So first thing we'll do is take all the blue, which is going to be the word cat and mom, and click attach. You can move that out of the way because you don't need it anymore. Then what you can do is use the square and draw it all around the whiskers and the ears, and also click attach. And let's take a look and think about what kind of color we want to use because we're using a navy blue. So I think I would like to do the words in white and then maybe this in like a really fun hot pink. Now there isn't a hot pink on here, but what you can do is click advanced and then go into your little bar down here and change the color to whatever color you would like it to be. So we'll just use that color. And that gives us a good look. But if you want to see what it's going to look like on navy blue, click down here and click blank canvas. And right where it says color, you can change it to be a different color. And then you can get rid of your grid lines to see what it will look like. I think that looks pretty good. So all we're going to do is click Make It. And you're going to want to make sure to mirror this because we're doing this on HTV. So click right here where it says mirror. And we're going to do that on both of them. Make sure that you have everything kind of set where you need it to be, and you're just going to double check. I always double check to make sure my stuff is mirrored and to make sure it's set up right. Click on Continue. We will set this to cut on iron-on, everyday iron-on, and I will get this cut out and weeded, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. We are using StarCraft Softflex. We're going to use the metallic silver and the neon pink. So we're going to go ahead and load our silver first. You're going to load it carrier side down. And go ahead and load that. I'm going to let you guys watch this cut. So before we heat press it, I will typically lay it out on my table or on my blank really quick, just to get everything lined up, and then you can put it on your blank and kind of move it around if you need to. But I think it looks pretty good right about there. So what I do is I'll stick both pieces together. Now we're going to do the silver first, and then we will do the pink next. So what I'm going to do, and I'm kind of at a funny angle, so I'm going to do this sideways. I know for you guys it's going to be sideways, but I can't see it, so I need to move it. We are going to just line this up. And right there, that looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is hold down the silver part and peel up the pink part. That way it holds the silver where I put it, and I can line up my pink with the silver part. So we're letting our heat press heat up. With the StarCraft Soft Flex, you heat it at 285 between about 8 to 10 seconds on a medium pressure. So we're just letting that heat up, and I'll show you guys how to heat press. We are ready to press. I do have a pressing pillow down, but you don't need to with these. It's just, it always sits there. So all I'm going to do is just do a quick press. We're just going to do a couple of seconds, nothing crazy, because we're layering. So you just want to do maybe 3-4 seconds just to tack it down. And this is a warm peel, so you can just peel that off. This should come off real easy. Neoprene really likes to be heat pressed. It loves to stick to stuff, so it's really a nice product. And then now you just use your pink. You just get a good look at that, so it looks pretty good. Make sure you do have a Teflon sheet down, and we'll do a full press now on both colors. Again, this is just a medium pressure, nothing too crazy. We're going to do the full 10-second press with both of them, and then it'll be all done. This is a really easy project. It's really fun. These make great little gifts. They are really fun for your like wedding and stuff like that, and they're so easy to do. Look at that. Isn't that fun? I didn't have a can, so I put it on my Starbucks cup just to show you guys what it looks like when you put it on a cup. It looks so cute. It came out really good. The Soft Flex works so well for these designs because it is a little bit stretchy. These make great favors for weddings or for birthdays. They're also a great little stuffer to add to a gift. If you're giving somebody a present, they just make a little extra fun thing that you can add. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the occasional bonus live video. And don't forget to hashtag your crafts, craft for the curve.